Welcome back. The medical inquiry report in Ravina's death case has mentioned gross negligence by the 3 doctors and has defined it as a breach of duty. The report states that the case needs to be investigated for criminal negligence on the part of Dr. R Pai and Dr. N Surme.
As per the medical inquiry report on Ravina's death, it is noted by the medical professionals in the committee that the death of the girl occurred due to intra-abdominal hemorrhage. The committee further mentions that if Ravina was timely referred to the GMC, she would have been saved. The medical inquiry further reads, "It has come on record that the first operation was performed without any routine diagnostic tests required under such circumstances." The report also states that Dr. Surme, Dr. Pai and Dr. Amonkar are jointly responsible for the sequence of events that led to the unfortunate death of Ravina. It is learned from the medical inquiry report that delay caused by Dr. Pai and Dr. Surme in shifting Ravina to the GMC is gross negligence on their part. Had Ravina been shifted timely to the GMC, probably the condition may not have worsened, leading to her death. The committee has made the following recommendations after considering all the material on record. Initiating criminal investigation against Dr. Surme and Dr. Pai for gross negligence leading to death. Disciplinary proceedings against Dr. Dilip Amonkar and Dr. Surme for serious default. Separate inquiry into the circumstances of other cases performed by Dr. Amonkar at private nursing houses and hospitals. Behavioral practices workshops for doctors and staff. A system of feedback from patient and relative on services provided by doctors and staff. Emergency cases in the GMC should be taken up after informing the consultant on duty, and surgery after the consultant personally examines the patient. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madgaikar.
On Friday, Desh Premi Nagrik Samiti observed Black Day at Azad Maidan. They were protesting the Portuguese invasion of Goa, which occurred 501 years ago. The protesters say despite liberation, Portuguese culture is still being celebrated in the state.
Bolo Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Members of Desh Premi Nagrik Samiti observed Black Day to condemn the Portuguese conquest of Goa. The Portuguese had conquered Goa on 14th November 1510, 501 years ago. A meeting held at Azad Maidan was attended by around 100 students. The members of the Samiti say that they were forced to organize such a protest as some people have started praising Portuguese culture in the state.
गोंयच्या मुक्तीक 50 वर्सां जाली. रक्त सांडून जी मुक्ती गोंयची मेळयली लोकांनी ताका दुर्दैवान सत्तेनूय साथ दिली अशें आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा. सत्तेन हांगा पोर्तुगीज धार्जिणे कार्यक्रम करवपाक सगळ्या प्रकारचें प्रोत्साहन दिलें. हांगा कार्निवाल हो पोर्तुगीजांचो सण हाडलो तो जणू काय गोंयचो लोकोत्सव अशा पद्दतीचो थाट ह्या गव्हर्मेंटान ताका दिलो. आयचो ब्लॅक डे जो आसा तो होच संदेश दिवपा खातीर आशिल्लो की जुने जाणटे स्वातंत्र्य सैनीक जे आसा तांच्या पर्यंत हे सगळे स्वाभिमानाचे प्रतीक जे आसा स्वाभिमानाचे वणवो जो आसा तो सोंपना. ताणी आता आपली मशाल जी आसा ही नव्या तरुण पिढी कडेन दिल्ली आसा.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Goa Seamen Association has planned to field their candidates for the forthcoming elections to voice their demands. They informed that they will target constituencies like Banauli, Veli, Naveli, Kunkole and Kumbarzue. They have informed that they will observe 19th December as Black Day.
Goa seamen have been asking to increase the ex gratia amount to the retired seamen. They also pressed that they want a seafarers commission to resolve their grievances. The Seamen Association held a press conference on Saturday and informed that they will field their candidates for the upcoming assembly election so as to raise their demands and get them fulfilled. They will field their candidates in Benaulim, Navalim, Kunkolim, Velim and Kumarjua, where majority of the people are working on board.
Seamen is a big vote bank, and for the forthcoming election, आम्ही एक decision घेलो हा, we will not support or endorse any candidate, and especially the Congress party. ये election आम्ही आमगेले own candidate field करतले. Chances of winning probably is not good, but we will teach them a lesson. किती आजपासून आम त्यांनी सांगितले ते मी कानार घेईल ना. सध्या आम्ही 4 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हायलाइट केलेले आसा.
They also said that they will observe 19 December as Black Day and will have a silent dharna opposite to collector's office.
आमी 15 days फाट दिल्ले ते काबार जाले कोणें आमगे आवाज कानार घेयला नाल्यार कोणें आमकां रिस्पॉन्सूय करना आमी सगळे MP लेटर करली पूण कांय रिस्पॉन्स येयना सो वी आर गोईंग अहेड with a black day on 19 December.
Our reporter in Margaon, Sameer Bhatt.
News from sports when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.